Hi everyone, today let's turn simple pistachio shells into a beautiful lantern, a perfect recycled craft for Christmas.
First, soak the pistachio shells in water for a couple of hours or overnight.
Once soaked, use a paper hole punch to make small holes in each shell. Next, take a plastic sheet and cover it with a layer of masking tape. Cut out a triangle shape of your desired size and place it on the sheet. Apply glue along the outline of the triangle and stick 2 bamboo skewers on the sides. You can also draw the outline directly on the sheet instead of using paper. Now, remove the paper cut out and start fixing each pistachio shell one by one using hot glue. Once all the shells are in place, pour hot glue around them to fill the gaps. Allow it to dry completely. When the glue hardens, gently peel it off from the sheet and trim off any excess glue from the edges. Repeat the same process to make 5 triangle pieces in total. Now arrange all 5 triangles together to form a star shape. Secure them in position with masking tape. Apply hot glue and fix the pistachio shells one by one to fill the middle part of the star. Repeat the same process as before. Spray paint the star with a metallic gold color. Now make another matching star of the same size and angle. Cut a long strip of cardboard about 1 inch wide. Apply hot glue and fix the cardboard strip along the sides of one star. Then, carefully attach the second star on top, aligning both properly. Make a small opening at the top side portion. Pass a small rope or twine through it to hang the lantern. Add the lights inside. And there you go, your glowing pistachio shell star lantern is ready to shine this Christmas. If you liked this eco-friendly DIY, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative recycled craft ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.